What's going on, Rejuvenation? Johnny Bubbles here, walking to my crib. No, I'm just kidding, guys. We are actually off-site. This is definitely not my house, and behind me, what you see is an indoor basketball court. Yes, that's not a house, that's an indoor basketball court. We got an ad shoot today with Cam Johnson and Vick Almighty, so we're gonna be showing you guys behind the scenes of how it goes. So come on.
Vick Almighty here again, talking about dirty shoes with my main man, Cam Johnson. Dirty shoes, dirty shoes, dirty shoes, shoes.
Today we're shooting 5 videos for our new campaign with Cam Johnson. Most of this content was inspired by Spike Lee's legendary commercials that featured Michael Jordan. However, we put a little R8 twist on it.
Clean shoes, clean shoes, clean shoes. Are you sure it's on the clean shoes? Are you sure it's on the clean shoes?
Right now they're setting up for the what makes you the best player section of the video. Now we don't have Cam here yet, so it's only Vick. Now Vick's gonna be getting on his knees and showing off one sneaker, and then we're getting the same shot with both sneakers. Now Vick is not a pro at this and he can't get it in one take, so we'll see if he gets it under 5.
Are you sure it's on the clean shoes? Clean shoes, clean shoes, clean shoes, clean shoes. Dirty shoes, dirty shoes, dirty shoes, dirty shoes, dirty shoes, dirty shoes.
About 1:10 in the afternoon. Now we have about 45 minutes before Cam is supposed to show up, so Vick has to nail his lines. We've been practicing with red leathers, yellow leathers, and unique New Yorks. You ready, Victor?
Let's do it. Sharpening up all these shots, making sure we're good to go. Other than that, just have some fun.
He's ready, the team's ready. Let's hope we can get it done in time. There's a scene in there where the ball's just gonna be hitting swoosh after swoosh after swoosh, so we're gonna have to set up a mic so it gets clear, quality, crispy swooshes. Victor, I'm getting kind of bored, bro, just waiting here. So yesterday I beat you in this 3-point competition.
I don't know about beat. I don't know about beat.
Bro, it was who can make the first 3 3-pointers
You're
in a row. So how about we go shot for shot while we wait for this next shoot. I don't want you to get injured, so don't go like hopping crazy right before the next shoot. But let's go shot for shot. Best out of 3 wins.
Cool, man.
Let's get it. I'm gonna win this, though.
All right, fam. We're 2 for 2. What are we gonna do?
Next one wins.
This is where he goes home, guys.
Oh, no. All right, this is it. Oh! All right, we just got the call that Cam just pulled up. Luckily for us, Vick killed it on his scenes, man. He banged it out in a couple tries. He did amazing, so shout out to Vick. So Cam's gonna be pulling up. Hopefully we can get a little behind the scenes, get him to talk to us a little bit before he gets into his bit. We'll see how it goes. Let's go.
Yo, Vick Almighty here again with my main man, Cam Johnson. Yo, Cam, what makes you the best player in the universe? Is it the vicious dunks?
No, Vick.
Is it the fresh haircut?
No, Vick.
Those fire kicks? Is it those fire kicks?
No, Vick.
Is it the socks?
Nah.
Are you sure it's on the clean shoes?
Okay, Vick. It's the clean shoes.
Yo, so Cam's practicing his dribbling skills. I'm pretty sure I can guard him. It's time to lace him up, boys.
Here you can see us working with Cam Johnson and Vick Almighty to recreate the iconic Michael Jordan and Mars Blackmon ad.
Is there a shoe that's come out in the past few years that like you would consider like your grail? Or is there a shoe that you haven't gotten yet that is your grail that you would like to own at one point?
I don't know about the past few years, but I do have my own personal
top 5. My 2 UNC PEs from the 2 years I was there. We have PE3s, PE4s.
Okay.
And those are probably top 2, just sentimental value.
Have you
and
worn them?
actual
Or are they just like
monetary
stashed?
value. They're stashed.
Okay.
I was thinking about wearing the 4s to the finals last year. I had a little Carolina fit. And the 4s, you've seen the UNC 4s that came out recently, right?
Yep.
They're blue suede.
Yep.
So ours is like a very much nicer version of that shoe. And then I swapped out the blue laces for white laces, really tough. But I was like, I went with my university blue dunks instead. So I haven't
couldn't
worn
pull
them.
those out. It was just too sentimental for you.
Yeah, I just couldn't. And you know, all of us that have those, we all been offered a lot of money for those.
Yeah, actually, so
of course,
we have a really good friend of ours and an influencer that's part of the Rejuvenated team named Unbreakable Kicks. And he lives out of Chicago. We actually went to his house, I would say 3 weeks ago. He has the entire college PE collection from 1 through, I don't even remember what number, I think it's 15 or 13, all of them. And I was like, bro, this is insane. To be able to hold them.
They're so tough.
Yeah, I'm like,
and they're tough to get, and you know, they make it hard on these guys to actually get rid of them. Some people have faced consequences for some. I don't know those NCAA rules, but they're tough shoes to get. They're valuable. They're very valuable. You know, if you play at the university, my little brother's there now, and he had 5. They got 5s last year and 6s this year.
right.
And, you know, they're just tough.
Yeah, you gave me 2 of your top 5.
Okay.
So let's get back on that. What are the other 3?
Number 3 is my off-white UNC ones.
Okay.
That we
got a theme here.
when I
UNC
played
theme,
there.
yeah.
And it's nice because I didn't have to buy any of these ones.
Okay.
But those, like...
Slight flex. Right.
Right, but it's like, I think that makes it even better. The opportunity to play at a school like North Carolina comes with
those perks.
With those perks.
Yep.
That's part of like the unbeatable college experience.
Right.
Is those, you know, I remember we got them after we played a game, and when the coaches brought them in, you know, the boxes were like, the shoes were like fresh out of the factory.
Yeah. What's that excitement like, right? Like, you see it, you know, on Instagram pages when people unboxing these PEs. Like, from your own experience, how was it unboxing like this PE coming at you? Like, explain that.
Oh, we were so excited. I remember the cart rolled in the room. We're in the locker room. The cart rolls in, and everybody's just sitting in their seat waiting to get their pair.
Now, are you guys told beforehand that you're getting these shoes?
We knew we were getting those
okay.
that day.
Okay.
And they handed us those, and we were so excited. You know how Virgil would write like quotation marks and then somebody's name.
Yeah,
or
on the
something about
midsole. Yep.
So one of my teammates who had really nice handwriting took, I think, 10 of our pairs and was writing our names on them. So mine have the have the quotes with Cam on.
Okay.
And I haven't worn those either.
Yeah.
So
those will probably never be worn.
Those will probably never be
yeah.
worn. And it's because of the sentimental value of that shoe. You know what that shoe meant to our team at the time. You know, we got it kind of as conference play was winding down, and we were having some success. So there's just, you know, it has a story. And then number 4 for me would be my Space Jams. I think they're the 09 version. So they're super beat up right now. And I actually bought them off somebody, and they were, you know, used at the time.
Right.
But Space Jam is my all-time favorite movie. I watched it, you know, probably 5-6 times a week as a kid.
Mm-hmm.
And the 09 Space Jams, I remember when they came out, it would have been like a dream to get them.
Yeah.
Like, I was like, there's no way I could get these, but I wish one day I'd be able to get them.
And then you got
them. So to get the 09 version was really cool.
Do you have a fresh pair?
Of
Space Jams? Yeah.
What was the last time they released?
2016, I think it was?
Yeah, I have a 16. I have a pair of 16.
Yeah, it might be 2016. Yeah.
I have a pair of those. And 11s have always been my favorite. And I have a lot of them. My other favorite pair of 11s is my Gammas, but they're beat up too.
Yeah. Almost the same kind of color scheme too, all black. So there's a theme
there.
there. Yeah. You know what's funny is I get a lot of crap because I'm not a fan of 11s.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you like?
I'm a 4s guy. Yeah. So
okay.
4s,
see, I'm a 4s guy too.
Yeah.
I'm
4s
a 4s guy
and
too.
patent 1s. I'm a sucker for patent
really?
1s, bro. I love.
I don't like. I mean.
A lot of people
wear
don't.
them good, but I like regular ones better.
Yeah. See, I'm a patent 1 guy. Any colorway that comes out in a patent, I'm probably gonna copy. Yeah. It's just, I don't know. To me, it's just like this suit right here.
See, that
like,
makes sense. That makes sense. It does go. It does go. I'll give you that.
But I'm not against ones regular, right? I love regular Bred ones too. Like we have my wife and I have matching pairs, but she doesn't like patent leather, so I'm like, cool, I can save money on. So I mean, last but not least, what's that last pick?
Number 5 is probably just black off-white forces.
Okay.
And these ones I will wear, and they're tough, and because they're black, they stay a little cleaner.
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about them as much.
Yeah,
That's
I mean, there is that stigma of like the all black Air Force Ones, right?
Yeah,
But,
you know.
but when you get the off-white ones, I mean, it's different. But yeah, man, I think we're gonna wrap it up here. I really appreciate you, giving me the time to talk about it behind the scenes for our fans here, and hopefully they like this video. But keep killing this shoot, man. Hey, Cam, how does it feel hitting the game winner?
Man, can't believe I got my shoes all scuffed up.
Hey Cam, what's got you all excited?
The Rejuvenator. I got my Rejuvenator here.
What's Rejuvenator?
This stuff is the best sneaker cleaner in the world. It's the only thing I use on my shoes, and I didn't know they'd have it here. It really came up and saved me. Can't walk out of here with scuffed shoes, man. I'd like to announce that I'm partnering with Rejuvenator for my upcoming CJ23 Invitational Tournament. The CJ23 Invitational is my effort to give back to the community. Last year we held it in Pittsburgh, and we were to donate to some charities that were near and dear to my heart. And in the future we're looking to do some more work out here in Phoenix and get into some more local charities, give back to the kids, support youth academics, support youth athletics, and just hope for an overall fun event. Last year was a lot of fun, and we hope this year will be too.
That is a wrap on today's video, guys. If you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to leave a comment, let us know what you'd like to see next. Let us know, man. I'm Johnny Bobos. Hope you guys stay blessed, stay bubbly, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Until next time.
Yeah.